How to sell time management and productivity tools on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products in this platform. So first of all, I'm going to explain this platform for those who don't know the platform. So Etsy.com is a platform where you can sell your own products, or if you want to buy the other products like those earrings and some jewelry. I don't know what is this. I think they are also earrings, another earrings. So pretty much we have a lot of earrings in this platform. So here let's just check one of these shop pages to show you what you're going to learn in this video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create a shop page like this one, how you can add all of these options, add these details, and also how to write a good description like this one. And I will show you again how you can add the pictures of your product like this. And I will show you how to set your shipping and return policies. So let's close this tab and let's go to the shop manager button. Click on shop manager and then let's start from the beginning, which is the first step. So here, as you can see, we have 6 steps to go through. We have the shop preferences, the name your shop, stock your shop, how you will get paid, set up billing, and your shop security. So the first thing we do is we choose the language, country, and the currency of the shop. So for the currency, I'm going to choose the United States dollar, then click on save and continue. And for the name of the shop, I'm just going to type the niche's name, which is the time management and productivity tools. So I'm just going to type that in here, and then let's make it fit these two requirements. And let's shorten it a little bit. Let's remove and then we click on save and continue. After that, we proceed to add in some details of our product, like the pictures and the video also. So here, add some photos and details about your item. Fill out what you can for now. You'll be able to edit this later. So let's just add some pictures of the product. As you can see in here, use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. And for the tips, use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. So here, just add images of the product. So at least you will need one image of the product, or as much as you will have. So the minimum is one. And then we have the video. So here we have bring your product to life with 5 to 10 to 15-second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And we have some quick tips. Film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, just click on this link. Then we have the listing details, like the title. So here I'm just going to type the niche's name as my title, and then who made it. I did. What is it? A finished product. When did you make it? Recently, 2020 and 2023. And let's choose a category for this product. Let's go with time management and productivity tools in calendars and planners. And then we will have some additional details to fill, like the primary color, secondary color, the occasion, and then we have the renewal options if you want an automatic renewal or a manual one. And then we have the type of the product, if it's a physical product or a digital product. Then we have the description. If you want to write a good description, start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what is to say? Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item. Then we have the production partners. So here, if you want to add a new production partner, you can just click on this button and then choose the production partner's name, location, and about that partner. Then click on save partner. If you don't have one, just go with cancel. Then you have these three other details which are optional, and I'm just going to skip them for later. Then we have the inventory and pricing. So here, make sure to add the price of your product. Then here we have the domestic and global pricing if you want to turn it on or off. Also the quantity that you have in that product, and the SKU number, which is optional. Then we have the variations. If you have any, you can add them in here. If not, just click on cancel. Personalization, if you want to turn it on or off. And then we have the shipping settings, as you can see in here. Make sure to go through all of these boxes. Then we have the returns and exchanges policy. So if you want to apply the 30 days policy, click on apply. And if you want to create your own policy, click on create policy, and you'll be able to adjust it the way you want. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends. And if you have any question, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below.